Kamusta mga balibulista? Tinalo ng Adamson Soaring Falcons ang UE Red Warriors 25-17, 29-27, 25-22. Best player of the game si Francis Casas matapos nagtala ng 21 points mula sa 18 attacks, 2 blocks at 1 ace. Panalo naman ng FEU Tamaros kontra sa Del Ace Green Spikers 16-25, 25-21, 34-32, 20-25, 15-8. Best player of the game si JJ Habilona sa likod ng kanyang 21 points mula sa 15 attacks, 3 blocks at 3 aces. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Para naman sa Women's Division, pinataob ng UE Lady Warriors ang Adamson Lady Falcons 26-24, 23-25, 25-18, 25-20. Best player of the game si Cassie Dongalio matapos humakot ng 28 points mula sa 25 attacks, 2 blocks at 1 ace. Panalo din ng DLSU Lady Spikers kontra sa FEU Lady Tamaraos 25-19, 25-21, 25-18. Best player of the game si Jolia Coronel sa likod ng kanyang 2 blocks na may kasamang 16 excellent sets. Heto ang mga laro ngayong March 24, 2024 na nagaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Magharap ang UP Fighting Marons at Ateneo Blue Eagles alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang UST Golden Spikers at Ateneo Bulldogs alas 12 ng tanghali. Para naman sa Women's Division, magtutos ang UP Lady Marons at Ateneo Lady Eagles alas 2 ng hapon. Kakalabanin naman ng UST Golden Tigresses ang Ateneo Lady Bulldogs alas 4 ng hapon. Heto ang team standings ng Men's Division as of March 23, 2024. Ateneo Bulldogs 7 wins, 1 loss. FEU Tamaraos 7 wins, 1 loss. DLSU Green Spikers 5 wins, 3 losses. UST Golden Spikers 4 wins, 4 losses. Adamson Soaring Falcons 4 wins, 4 losses. Ateneo Blue Eagles 4 wins, 4 losses. UE Red Warriors 1 win, 7 losses. UP Fighting Marons 0 win, 8 losses. Heto naman ang team standing sa Women's Division as of March 23, 2024. UST Golden Tigresses 8 wins, 0 loss. DLSU Lady Spikers 7 wins, 1 loss. NU Lady Bulldogs 6 wins, 2 losses. FEU Lady Tamaraos 4 wins, 4 losses. UE Lady Warriors 2 wins, 6 losses. Ateneo Lady Eagles 2 wins, 6 losses. Adamson Lady Falcons 2 wins, 6 losses. UP Lady Marons 1 win, 7 losses.